Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this RAM. This is 2022 RAM 1500. I believe they're from starting 2019 and up. So to get to your first fuse box location, it's going to be under the steering wheel right in here. Before that, if you want to need an OBD port, it's located right in here. You need to plug it in the computer. But the fuse is located, you have to take this off to get access to it. It's gonna be, I believe, 7mm, one right here, one right there, and then you just pop it and that cover should come off. And the fuse itself are right underneath here, right in here. They're right in there, right under the steering wheel. And to get your second one, it's gonna be under the hood. You gotta just pop the hood. So it's gonna be right in here. To open it, just press here, press that, and that comes off. And there's your fuses. And location for this one, are gonna be right in here. I guess it goes this way. And that'll be it for this one. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And also, if you know the location for these, where they're located, the ones that's underneath here, for these fuses, might have to look it up online. The one, that interior one. Or if you know, comment below where the sticker is at to see which one's where for this one. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.